Sebentar bahasa Inggris kasih itu.
Itu
Dia harus bicara bahasa Inggris ya, gurunya.
Ada kak khusus sehari-hari yang mereka harus
Jumat rencananya.
Ini English Day sudah kami programkan. Ini English Day sudah kami programkan, tetapi ya ini baru mau dijalankan.
At least hanya di dalam pimpinan sama guru-guru bilingual.
Oh ya.
Ya.
Nanti kita atur supaya bisa terjadi. Kemudian kita juga punya organisasi ICT, ini ketuanya Pak Bakro ini, kemudian kita urus blog, kita punya blog di website kita yang sudah bagus itu matematika, fisika, kimia, biologi, sama PTD sudah bagus. Kemudian TV edukasinya kita sudah punya berapa Pak? 4 TV yang bagus. Nah, buka sudah. Oke, Ibu, mari kita jalan.
Ya, ini sangat bagus sekali sebetulnya. Cuma ya itu tadi ya tinggal budimannya supaya.
Iya, karena memang belum. Tapi kalau di kelas sudah di
Oh ya, kalau
di
di kelas
ya.
ya. Intinya nanti
Iya.
di blog itu untuk budimannya seperti ini karena boleh tadi tetap Pak.
Bentar aja.
one the people is doing work in physics? Anna, right? Playing basketball, good. Playing basketball is doing work in physics. Anyone agree with Anna? Why? Why? Rona, why? Why the person playing basketball doing work in physics? The ball is moved. Right. Is the person doing a force? Someone right, he didn't move. He just sit in the chair and he move and he write in the paper. And the woman he just watching television and she's not moving. But the people in the right there, someone playing basketball, she's doing a force and she move. She's doing a distance. Perfect. Next question. Is the woman pushing against the wall doing work? Or maybe someone, could you help me? Another? Any volunteer here? Come here. Some. Audrey? Okay, come. Okay. Okay, this is your friend. She will help you. She will help you to practice what the woman doing over there. Okay, Audrey, please. Audrey, did you giving a force in the wall? So, Anna, is the wall moving? Okay, thank you. So, the conclusion, what? Is Audrey doing a work in physics? No. How about you, Bobby? Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, Bobby. What's the conclusion from Audrey doing before? Is Audrey doing a force? Give a force to the wall? Yes. Yes. Is the wall moved? No. Is there a work here? Ya. Jadi kesimpulannya, Audia memberikan sebuah gaya. Dia melakukan mendorong. Sekarang pertanyaannya, apakah temboknya berpindah? Is the wall moved? Is Audia doing work? Apakah Audia melakukan usaha? Yeah. So, work is depends on two subjects, right? First, it could be a force. Jadi usaha bergantung pada dua hal. Yang pertama harus ada gaya. Second, distance, ya, perpindahan or the object move atau bendanya ketika benda berpindah maka ada yang namanya distance atau perpindahan. Favorite. What is the unit of work? Aman, what is the unit of work? Unit satuan from work. Usaha. Ayo. Joule. Did you know that Joule is name of a scientist from England? James Prescott Joule. Okay. To push something and make a distance. Unit of work is Joule. Work depends on two subjects. First is force itself and distance. Okay, there he is. Okay, the name of the scientist James Prescott Joule. So Joule, the unit of work is number of things. 1 Joule, jadi 1 Joule of work dari usaha is the work done when 1 Newton of force is applied through a distance of 1 meter. Jadi 1 Joule itu adalah usaha yang bekerja. Kapan? Ketika 1 Newton apa? Gaya, diberi gaya bagus. Ya, dan mengakibatkan terjadi perpindahan. Berapa jauh perpindahannya? Berapa jauh perpindahannya? 1 one joule, 1 force, and 1 mass. Okay, this is a person who's quite a block of metal, 2 meters. Force multiplied distance is the more force you give, the more work you have. Ya kan? Semakin besar gaya yang kamu berikan, maka semakin besar pula apa ya? Usahanya. Force. Okay. The more, the greater distance, and the more work. Ya, semakin besar perpindahan yang kita lakukan pada sebuah benda, semakin jauh benda itu berpindah, maka usahanya juga semakin besar. Okay, so first about work. Do you have any question about work until now? Okay, yes, we replay what we studied before. Yesterday we studied work. Just for replay today. Okay, good. That's my question. And now to start, the new topic is about the energy. Okay, just the picture. Someone playing football. Someone carried a bag, and the girls is running. You can move, you can think, you can study, you can speak, you can sing. Because all of us have energy. Where our energy came from? Breakfast is very important for us. Okay? We start from 7:15 until 2:15, right? 2:15 in the afternoon. So it's a very long time, right? You must get energy to think, to speak, to study, to learn. So you must have the good energy from your food, especially from your food in the breakfast. Okay? So never forget to get your breakfast every day. Energy is the ability to work. If you didn't have energy, you can do work, right? You can push the table, you can walk, you can run, you can play basketball, you can do sport. If you didn't have energy, the unit of energy is same with the work. What kinds of energy change over there? What? Electricity energy change to be heat energy. Okay. Did you iron your clothes by yourself? Ah, come on. Did you iron your clothes by yourself? No. No, of course. You have a servant. No, just kidding. Sorry. Usually you speak very much. What's wrong with you today? Okay. Could you answer? The last picture. What changed the energy? The candle. Lilinnya. Candle. First. Candle made from chemical. So chemical energy changed to be heat energy or and light energy. How about my beautiful handphone? Okay, this is also energy converter, right? What form of energy change here? The world. Oh, no. Okay, so now the electricity always breaks down, isn't it?
Yes.
3 tahun ibu di sini dan kayaknya setiap minggu itu selalu aja mati lampu, ya kan? Ya, kan? Okay, it's very important for us now to do the conservation energy. Okay, the first is we have to know what is conservation energy, right? What is conservation energy? Apa sih konservasi energi? Ya. Okay. How about the people? The people itself. Bagaimana dengan manusia itu sendiri? Bertambah bagus. Did you still remember the first meeting we are in the 8th grade? We watching every moment, every second. Okay. We know that every second, setiap detik, ya, there are 2 people die and 4 ada 2 orang yang meninggal dan ada 4 orang yang hidup. Ada 4 bayi yang dilahirkan dalam setiap akibatnya apa? What's wrong with our population? Increase, right? Ya, populasinya meningkat, bertambah. Karena dalam setiap detik terjadi pertambahan 2 penduduk. Ya, sekarang aja manusia kan sudah berapa miliar? Ya, apakah tanah akan semakin bertambah? Apakah buminya membesar? Tidak. Ya, buminya tetap itu aja. Ya, but the population increase. Tapi populasi manusia kita bertambah terus. Setiap detik selama ibu ngajar ini, kamu dengerin ibu, kita makan, kita minum, setiap detik kita bumi bertambah 2 penduduk baru. Ya, 2 meninggal dan 4 yang melahirkan. Jadi ada pertambahan 2 orang setiap detik. When no one is watching it, so the TV watching you, and you are sleeping in front of the TV, right? Have you do it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Did you do it before? Jadi ketika kamu nonton TV, kamu ketiduran, TV-nya tetap nyala, TV-nya nonton kamu. Iya. Oke. Apakah itu berusaha? Jelas. Nah, did you know that if all people in the world reduce, mengurangi ya, only 15 watt. Jadi seandainya seluruh dunia ini semua orang mengurangi 50 watt saja, ya, every day, 50 watt listrik every day, they can save 1 billion. Jadi mereka bisa menyimpan, kita bisa menyimpan energi 1 miliar. Kamu bayangkan, hanya 50 watt saja. Okay, students. Next, yeah, after this, we'll watch a movie about how it's conservation energy and 10 tips to save the energy for all. So, I think you must to listen carefully and watch carefully. After this, we have to discuss to answer the question in your worksheet. Is it clear enough? Okay, what will we do to save the energy? Find new energy. Okay, what do people do to find new energy? Right? Indonesia, we have LIPI. You know LIPI? LIPI is lembaga di hubungan laut Indonesia. Is the government. Government konservasi energi itu tentang
DVDs and computers, but don't even sound right. Switch them off. It may sound crazy, but almost £1 billion worth of electricity is wasted every year by people not doing this.
Heat rises test out at the top, but the third off the heating room was not insulation, so if you haven't got it, get it. If you have, make sure it's 10 inches thick. half the homes in the UK nuclear installation toppling off.
Look how many people it takes to change a light bulb. But none if it's an energy-saving one. They last almost 12 times longer than your average light bulb. What's more, if every household fitted just one, the carbon dioxide emissions saved would fill the world at home almost 2,000 times.
Don't burn a hole for it, but that's probably what the world is doing. If the world was 15 years old, it would take a third market to replace it with a condensing boiler.
The science of appliance is easy when it's time to replace your wipers, just those ones with this symbol on them. They'll use less energy, so they'll have less impact on the environment, and they'll be cheaper to run.
It takes more time to make an bread than it does to insulate the cavity walls in an average house. Traveling 3 hours. Having it done could also start a third easily. Tell now the temperature.
Ketinggian. Kalau ketinggiannya besar, jauh, ya, maka energi potensialnya juga besar. Contoh, kamu besar kan? Nah, mendorong kamu itu kan perlu energi yang lebih besar karena masamu besar. How energy can do what? Oh, bagaimana energi? Oke. Energy didn't burn, didn't dead. Ya, energi itu nggak lahir terus mati, nanti lahir terus mati lagi, tidak. Ya, energy is what? Eternal, abadi. Energi itu abadi. We know hukum kekekalan energi, ya. Kita tahu ada yang namanya hukum kekekalan energi. Energi itu tidak bisa habis, tidak bisa timbul lagi, tapi energi itu hanya bisa change. Energy is only can change. Energy.
Anything else to get to make some energy
Besides
food?
food. Okay, to get energy from us. Yeah. Chemical energy is not only from food, from drink, from apa sih? Infusion. Yeah, for the human. I think the energy, the source, and the others. I think Mr. Rao is the greatest biology teacher in his school. But, my student, murid saya tanya dari manusia itu dapat energi selain dari makanan dari mana? Iya kan? Ya dari minuman. Kalau misalnya nggak bisa makan, nggak bisa minum, dari mana? Diinfus aja. Iya, Karina. Apa? Okay. Is our Earth has the potential energy? Apakah bumi punya potensial energi? Yeah, is the world of objects? Apakah bumi kita sebuah benda? Iya. Apakah bumi punya massa? Ya. Benda yang punya massa dia punya energi potensial. Ya. Tapi selain punya energi potensial, besides energi potensial, our Earth has kinetic energy. Bumi juga punya energi kinetik. Karena bumi kita bergerak, ya kan? Masa bumi kita diem? Enggak dong. Ya, bumi kita bergerak. How food can get us energy? Oke. Kenapa makanan bisa memberi kita energi? Ya, jadi dari zat kimia. Tapi kimia yang tumbuhan. Jadi kimia yang bagus ya, bukan kimia yang infus-infusan tadi. Oke. So you have discuss with your group. Oh, still question. Ya, so how about us? Not yet? Okay, good. So, students, what did we study today? Conclusion, what did we study today? First, yeah. Okay, about energy. Concept of energy. Next, second, the first. Concept of work, right? Definition of work. Third, what did we study before? About form of energy, yeah, energy changes. Yes, what? The next meeting is okay. We will close the class. It's the conclusion. Okay. Okay? Is it okay? Yeah. That's good. Conservation energy. 5. Just remember 10 commitment to save energy for all. Remember, save energy for all.
Potensial energi.
Okay? You know, there are 3 S ya. Ada 3 S. S yang pertama saya. Ya, saya dulu. Kamu dulu. S yang kedua itu adalah sekarang. Save energinya itu kapan? Sekarang. Yang ketiga, S yang ketiga adalah sederhana. Lakukan hal yang sederhana. Gak usah deh kamu ikutan demo PLN atau demo gak usah. Hal yang paling sederhana, jangan pernah membuang kertas yang belakangnya masih ada kosong. Ya. Oke, save energy for all. Oke? Okay, enough for today. Today we study about what is work, concept of work, definition. Okay, thank you.
Because at the time we have Ibu Rani, from Jakarta, visit here about RSBI. You know RSBI. What? Rintisan Sekolah Berbakat Internasional. So we all here. Thank you very much for everything. And then you have about what?
Minuman ya. Drink.
Soft drink for you. Yeah. See you next Wednesday. Yeah.
Next week.